Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another cool mulberry to show you today. So this is the Mulberry Cara zip pouch, and you can see all those iconic Cara lion studs on there, as well as those heart ones in the middle, which are really cute. And it's in this gorgeous soft oxblood calf napper leather, which is beautiful. So I'll talk you through the features. It's lovely and simple. We've just got little zip top closure there. And then inside we've got the mulberry envelope, which I'll show you, and I'll show you more what we've got that comes with it. Inside there we've got one flat pocket on the back there, and then we've got that heart leather mulberry tag as well. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. It's got really minimal signs of use to it, but you can see that it's just got that kind of leftover like makeup sheen sparkle to it. You can see in certain lights, and then we've just got a couple of little marks here and there on that beautiful soft leather, and then the interior again has just got that little leftover makeup sparkle on it in some areas, so that is why we've called the interior very good and the exterior very good. The hardware we've called excellent. There's no signs of wear. You can see those studs and that zip have all got that lovely gold tone, and they're all shiny and aren't showing any signs of wear to them, so that's why we've called the hardware excellent. It comes with, as we've already seen, little mulberry envelope there, and we've also got mulberry tissue paper, as well as the mulberry gift bag as well. What I didn't mention when I was talking about the condition, it does have a bit of a storage scent on that interior as well. It's not noticeable, not too noticeable, and it's not unpleasant, but it's just a little bit of a storage scent in there. If you would like the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact mulberry zip pouch on our website, so go to that link if you're interested in purchasing. If it takes you directly to this bag, that's great, it means it's still available. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if this is your thing, let us know and we'll pop you on that request list. That just means as soon as we get in another one or something like it, we will let you know, send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can be one of the first to get in there. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. And it's just really cool, especially with those studs on it and with that oxblood calf napper leather. I'm just obsessed with it, it feels so lovely. So if you would like more details on it, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through a welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any beauties like this one that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. Get on that page and have a look at that process. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces of Armcandy like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.